What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Crumpler, Master Trainer at Art Labs Welding School. So, here at Art Labs, we provide everyone with coupons. We do flat plate, T-joints, and V-groove metal. Today we're going to be talking about our V-groove metal. Alright, so this is the coupons that we use in our shop. As you can see, they're beveled one side, and then the other side is beveled as well. Alright, so when you get on V-groove, your instructor is going to give you 5 to 4 of these V-grooves at one time. So the proper way to use these V-grooves is what we're going to be going over today. Okay, so you got your 5. What you're going to do is you're going to take them, you're going to prep them all up, grind them for whatever process you're doing. All right, if you need landings, put landings on them. If not, don't. All right, but you'll take them once you get everything prepped. You'll tack one together like that. Once you're done, you'll come over, piece another one, and you just piecing them together, putting them together. All right, once you have them all together, your final product should look a little something like this. All right, it's a plate. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 roots, 4 fills, and 4 caps. Now, once we get done running our roots in these things, filling them up and capping them out, you notice there's good bevels on the end of them. We don't want to disregard this. What we want to do is, this is where our cutting comes into play. So when we started the program, you started cutting with a track torch, hand torch. So when you get done welding, filling all these out, and your instructor tells you, all right, chop it in the middle and use my 2 good bevels on the ends. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut one of the welds out, we're gonna flip it around, and we're gonna weld it back together right there. Now, once that's all said and done, and you have no more good bevels, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna utilize this plate still, and we're gonna use it to run beads on for practice. All right, so starting of the program, every process, that's what we do. We run beads just to get the feel of it. And that's what you're gonna be running them on, these plates right here that other people have welded up. All right, so hopefully that gives y'all a little bit of information on the way we use our coupons. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.